Hey guys, so in this quick video, I'm going to actually talk about the Hulu and versus the Hulu Live and what kind of thing you want to understand. So a regular Hulu provides access to Hulu's massive on-demand library of originals and licensed shows. But the Hulu Plus Live TV includes the same library plus over 95 live channels like local ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, and cable networks like ESPN, AGTV, and Food Network. So those kind of things you are going to actually get with the Hulu Live TV. And also regular Hulu often lacks current season of some shows from networks like CBS, like available on Paramount Plus or like NBC. So Live TV subscribers get an expanded network on demand library tied to those live channels. Also, the Hulu Plus Live plans automatically include the Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. So primarily this is like very important that primarily for the Hulu Plus Live here, that you are going to actually get more things. For example, look at the Disney Plus ESPN. So also then the no ads upgrade. So if you can upgrade on regular Hulu, removes most ads from the on-demand library. On the Live TV plan, no ads only applies on the on-demand library, and of course like live broadcasts still have commercials. So this is something to be aware of. So yeah, it's expensive, but you're gonna have the sports like NFL, MLB, and local sports fans, and the sports for the regular Hulu are not really existent there. So yeah, that's primarily it. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope this video provided a little bit of difference and kind of like insight what you can expect between the Hulu and Hulu Live TV. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye.